Welcome back to Full Course Online. Today I'll show you how to install and configure Android Studio on Windows 11 for running Android games. We'll set up the emulator for smooth gameplay step by step. Let's start. I would recommend you not to skip any part to avoid problems later on. Open Microsoft Edge. In Bing, type Android Studio and press Enter. Click the official link, Android Studio, Android Developers. Avoid third-party sites. Click Download Android Studio button. Scroll down and accept the terms and conditions. Then press the Download Patch 1 for Windows button. The download process has been started. You can see the progress. The file size is about 1.4 gigabytes. Once the download is complete, go to the download location and double-click the installer file to start the installation. The installation process is quite simple. Once the first step is complete, this splash screen will appear. And then it will continue downloading the remaining files. When this screen appears, click on Next. Select the standard type. On this screen, files for first virtual device are given. The total size is 2.43. If you are agreeing with the default location, click Next. Accept the first agreement, and then the second. The size of download is quite big, so it may take some time, depending on your internet speed. When this screen appears, click Finish. And the Android Studio is installed. Click on the arrow next to More Action to add a virtual device. One virtual mobile phone device is already added during the installation process. To add another device, click on the plus sign. A list of categories is given. You can add phone, tablet, Wear OS, desktop, TV, automotive and device for XR. We want to add a desktop device, so click on Desktop. Now we have three options: small, medium, and large desktop. The details for each is given in the front, like the DPI and resolution. For our demonstration, we are selecting large desktop. And then click Next. On this screen you can further customize the settings. Click on Additional Settings tab. And let us increase the amount of RAM from 2 GB to 4. The total size of the file is 1.5 GB. Click on Finish and then confirm the download to start the process. It will also take some time. Click Finish after the process is complete. And now you can notice the large desktop is added to the Device Manager window. To start the device, click on the play arrow button. The device is opening and it also can take some time. Depends on your computer hardware. And there it is. Open the menu, start some applications. Now let us start mobile phone device from the Device Manager. I have installed the mini game. Let me show it to you. You can rotate the device by click on these arrow signs. I would recommend you to close other heavy apps, allocate more RAM to the emulator, and use SSD storage. As you can see, it is a racing game. That's it. You can now play Android games on your PC using Android Studio's emulator. It's great for developers and testers, but remember it's not as fast as dedicated gaming emulators like BlueStacks. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and tell me which game you'll try first.